Welcome to video 2 for lesson 2.1. This video talks about the discrete uniform distribution. The discrete uniform distribution is a distribution in which the random variable x can take on only a finite number of values, and each of those values is equally likely to occur. So the probability of each value of x has to be the same. Our PMF, remember, is f of x. It tells us the probability that x is equal to a particular value of little x. And so if the probability is the same, then this PMF is constant for all values of x in the support. If the support is the first m positive integers, then the PMF is going to be equal to 1 over m for x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to m. And this makes sense if we think about it, because we know that if we sum the values of f of x for all the different values of x, they're going to have to equal 1. And so since this is m times the same value, f of x, then f of x must be equal to 1 over m. We'll also look at the CDF, big F of x, for the discrete uniform distribution. We know that the random variable x can't take on a value less than 1. So remember, our capital F of x is the probability that our random variable x takes on a value less than or equal to that little x. So for x that are less than 1, it's going to have to be 0, because we know that the random variable can't take on a value less than 1. When we get to the first integer, 1, we're going to go up by 1 over m. And for each additional integer, when we get there, we're going to go up another 1 over m. So this gives us this formula where we have k over m for k less than or equal to x and less than k plus 1. And we'll see an example of this in a minute. And then once we reach m, that's the largest possible integer, we know that these f of x have to have summed up to 1. And so our CDF is going to be 1 for any value of x that's greater than or equal to m. Quick example. If we roll a 4-sided die and record the face that lands down, the support is the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so f of x, remember, is 1 over m, since m is 4. F of x is 1/4 for x equals 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we know that our CDF, big F of x, is 0 for values of x that are less than 1, and it's going to be 1 for values of x that are greater than or equal to m. Here our m is 4. And in between, it's going to be k over m for x that are greater than or equal to the integer k and less than k plus 1. So when k equals 1, we have 1 over m. Remember, our m is 4. For x between 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. For k equals 2, we have 2 over k is 2 over m, 4, from k less than or equal to x less than 3. I'm sorry, this should be less than. And similarly, when k is equal to 3, we have k, 3 over m, 4. When x is greater than or equal to 3, here's our k, and less than k plus 1, 4. And that's our discrete uniform distribution.